In this video, I'll show you how to download the HMRC app on your Android mobile phone. So this app is used for managing your finances, your tax, national insurance, benefits, etc., things like that. So to download it, you need to go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Click on the search icon at the bottom, then at the top, press inside the search bar. When your keyboard appears, type in HMRC, then click on the HMRC app. Here you'll see a little bit of information about the app. Feel free to scroll through and read it if you wish. When you're ready to download it, simply click the blue install bar. The app will now start downloading to your phone with a progress bar. Once it's downloaded, it'll start installing to your phone. This could take several moments, so please be patient. Once it's downloaded, you can open the app directly from the Play Store by clicking the blue Open button. Alternatively, you can come out the Play Store, scroll through your home screens, and it'll be the last app that has been installed. And if you click on that, that'll open up the HMRC Revenue and Customs app.